Good luck.
Yes, yes.
What track?
Does anybody else know their spots?
I was pretty.
We could just go mountain.
Mountain's good. Oh, true. I forget Snortle speaks this ancient language. Mountain.
Who's Albie?
That kid's just really good.
Fuck that guy.
Well, we're playing Naptime, aren't we?
But he also yells at his team, so...
I fucking forgot to switch off Biddy and Yellow. I'm gonna shoot myself.
It's okay.
There's a Roy? What the fuck?
Yeah, that's probably Albert.
Nah, he plays the Lemmy. He's in the back.
Yeah.
Attention seeker?
He's like, I'm different. I'm special. I got green and 5.
3 with red.
I'm trailing, they're all around me. Oops, sorry.
There's a horn in 4. Enemy.
Oh, sorry for green.
Yep.
I got trips out in 11.
I'm gonna get rid of these. Oh. Enemy holding blue.
I got stream horn in second.
Oh, nice. Enemy's holding ghost. I'm shrimming up. Ooh.
2-3.
Oh, I got redded off the fucking glider.
Enemy still holding blue and 11.
Starring in 9. Sorry for star. I've got dodge if anybody pulls anything.
Filling in 10. I'm just gonna chain.
Blue's
They're
out.
throwing blue.
They're still holding ghost. There might be something.
I'm trying.
There's another one.
They might have shock.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Okay, they blew themselves. I'm dodging now. Burning golden in 10.
Are we in 4? No.
The top 2.
Oh, bum up.
Mm.
They missed.
Planting in 9.
Oh.
Oops, sorry.
I'm gonna bill after cut.
Me too. I'm billing now.
Billing.
Got 1.
I got 3.
That's 1. That's 3.
Huh?
We're getting bottom 2.
Okay, nice.
1, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10.
3, 5,
Nice.
6, 9,
No.
10.
Fuck.
Very
Plus
nice,
12.
very nice. Good first race. Track?
Okay. Can we maybe like go cruiser?
That works. I like cruiser. Ooh, grumble. Let's draft.
Let's do this. I like it, this track.
I got nothing. Ooh, enemy trips.
Going wide
Got a nice
boxes.
bubble.
I got trips out in 4 on the right side.
Do I have... Okay, I don't have space in mine.
Ooh. Staying right. I'm gonna drop them right. Gonna take dub.
I'm trying in 4 and 2. Got one.
Nice. I got
Right.
fire in 7. I might fire up a bit here because they're all here.
Got another.
Nice kill.
Watch fire up.
Yeah, that's me. Oh, sorry.
Running them out.
Oh, that was me.
I got a
oh.
shroom behind you, Ace. I'm gonna go left and have
Yeah.
trips out.
Nothing but
I
shrooms
got
in
dark.
10.
Go stall rang. They're top 3. We need
Shrooming
it.
up, taking single.
I'll
go for
stop,
it,
I'll
go
stop.
for it.
Oh, okay.
Wait.
Thank you.
No, just have 2 people go for it. Just don't
Alright.
kill yourself for it then.
I've got star in 8.
I'm in 6 currently with nothing. I think they're top 5.
Yeah, they
I'm
are.
gonna change
Maybe.
star here.
We're bot 3.
Oh my god. Nuns. I'm going for dub.
Oh, fuck, I fell off.
I have got dodge in 8 if we pull it.
They're top 3, I'm 4.
I haven't pulled
Oh,
it.
nice.
I got nothing.
I got hit out.
We're bot 2.
I'm gonna ghost
Star.
right now. I pulled shroom.
I didn't pull it.
It's fine.
They get top 3.
4, 5.
No.
4, 5,
4, 5, 6.
bottom
7.
2.
Okay.
Is it custom items? No shock? What the fuck?
Unfortunate with the no shock, but that's fine.
Can we try squeaky?
Yes, please.
Ooh.
Ugh.
I don't think they DC'd, no.
It's fine.
Yeah, everyone's got points, no DC.
Go, Wimmer. Run this bitch.
I'm so far back though. You know what? You go run. You win.
I'm back. I'm real back.
And I burnt out! Oh, pressure.
Go bag.
True.
Shrooming up.
They've got red in 1.
I'm gonna throw my red forward here. Oh, never mind. I can't anymore.
I've got no items.
Oh, give me space. Give me space.
Yeah, I am. I'm going for coins.
Got one.
Nice.
Rang and 5.
Going 5 forward and 10.
3,
They're in
4.
last. I think they might be sacking for it.
Going for double.
I got 2 bananas out.
I ate one.
Oh, fuck.
Not bad. They're top
They're
3,
holding
they got
blue
rain.
in last. They ain't pulling nothing.
Bro, it's fucking rang.
I've got plant in 3.
Star.
Can I ghost at 11?
Oh, you got trip reds behind you, Evan.
Yeah, you can ghost.
Okay, thank you.
They got one more left.
I pulled trip greens. I'm just gonna back them all.
I'm using plant.
Let me
Catch
get
up
this.
time. Poke. Go, go,
Star
go.
into double.
I got a red behind you, Evan.
Oh,
No.
shit.
Oh,
Oh.
I have to star.
Oh, got one.
Sorry for star.
Gonna star at left double. Blue's,
Blue's
out.
out. Shroom 3 cut. Crazy. Yeah,
I
I'm
got
throwing it
second.
all up. Jesus.
5, 6.
7,
7, 8.
Whoa.
Oh, nice card.
2.
5, 7, 8, 12.
I was gonna throw double res, but I heard the blue, so I just kept second. Didn't want to risk it.
Good call.
No.
Fair. Better a 2 than a 7.
Yeah.
I'm getting knocked out or something. Anti 1, go Cooper Cape, you're all the way up there, Cod.
Yeah. Let's. Yeah.
Done it.
Honestly, I was thinking Cooper or Maple, but yeah, Cooper.
Or Maple, I don't mind. We haven't played Maple in a while. I'm gonna pick Maple. Oh, what? That's fine. You know what? That's fine.
It could be Maple, Wilma.
I mean, isn't
Imagine.
Maple on our banner or something?
Yeah, and we haven't played it once this season.
We have picked it. I just don't think it gets picked.
Yeah. Like I said, we're saving all of our track picks for today. Since we didn't get any yesterday.
True. Give me sure I'm set.
We could just piss off getting him.
Nah. Enough. We don't want to make them upset.
Alright, I'm last.
I've got a shroom in 4.
I got Shroob in
If,
like
I,
I got
8.
if we're down
trailed.
by enough, that's my play.
Anyone in 11?
Yeah, I am because I got trailed.
Shrooming up.
Shroom in
Oh,
8.
rip cod. Drafting in
I've
3.
got a horn in 2. They're trailing a green
Fine.
1.
I got red behind you, Poke.
Ah, they fucking backed me.
I'm trailing, Evan.
Yep.
Oh, fat bitch! No way he passed me. Okay, we're 3-4 right now.
Throwing up Nana's left side. 1.
I got red behind you, Evan.
Yep.
They have a shroom behind you, Wilma.
I'm shrooming
That's
through the
fine.
cuts.
I'll try and red him out if he takes cut.
Oh, I don't
That's
have a
risky.
shroom.
I'm taking cut. They're top 3.
I can't do anything. Hold on, I'm drafting. I'm gonna try and...
I'm starting through orange.
Oh, they got
Where's this?
trips in 6.
True blue.
Blue's
Blue's
out.
out.
Blue's out.
fuck. Gonna hit the fucking
11.
waterfall thing.
Ah,
I got triple greens out in 4.
Star and 8.
I've got, can I ghost after the cut?
Plant behind us, Evans.
Yep.
I'm gonna ghost after the cut.
Oh, yeah.
Go
Yeah,
Dub.
you can.
Ghosting now. Oh,
You
I
took
missed
my
the
triple
box.
greens. That's fine.
That's fine.
Sorry.
I got
Sorry.
back sniped though, so that's not fun.
Shit.
Oh, I got crazy 8 throwing forward. Shit, sorry.
They're top 2
And I'm
right
dead
now.
again. That's freaking great.
Bulleting in last.
Get on my starway. Oh,
Oh, I
GG.
got that.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna secure
That's
3, I'm
nuts.
scared. They got top 2.
5.
3, 4, 5,
10.
6. Oh no, they got
5,
4.
6,
Four, five.
7, 10, 9, 10. Okay. Unfortunate green cod.
Yeah, and then they just back me with red. Which sucks.
What's another good anti-one?
Hmm.
D-dubs.
I mean, I won't say no.
I don't say no either.
Okay. Sounds good then.
Yeah, technically it is anti-one, yeah. And honestly, I'm down for it.
Wasn't there 2 Aussies on their
Only
team?
No, that was
one.
one on that team.
Mm.
Is there any
Mm.
inward?
I don't
No.
think so.
Mm.
Oh, I'm just looking at Albie's flag, getting confused. It's blue. Let's go. B-dubs.
Let's fucking go.
We're only down by 14 after 4. That's so easy to come back from. Chippy.
Get it.
And they burnt out. 1 burnt out.
Yippee.
Currently in 1 with a coin.
Oh, they have trip greens.
Nothing. I
Took
heard,
that.
that's fun.
Or they just spam and get away with it.
I'm going coins.
It's good.
Still in 1. They're 2-3.
Virtual greens in 5.
Okay, that right Yoshi's trying to go for shock.
I think they're holding horn in 2. Yeah, I've got bomb.
They have fire in 7.
I hit one out.
I'm gonna bomb the cut up here, so just be wary.
I got crazy head out.
I have trip 9s in 7.
Holy
They
shit.
good.
Spamming crazy head.
Ah,
I think I got one.
I'm in second with a star.
Oh, that's lucrative. Just beware of dodges and stuff. Blue's out.
Blue's out, blue's
Yeah.
out, blue's out.
Yeah, yeah.
It's fine, I'll just take it with my face.
I mean,
there's-
then
I
I'll
could have
start with
fallen
1.
off.
Enemy ghost in.
I have a ghost in
Plant
7.
in 4.
Oh, we should have said
Ghost
so.
has a single shroom.
Oh, I got
I'm
red
in
in
1
no
with star having
way.
these.
Go
going
Tash.
11.
Sorry for fire.
Missed.
Oh, no way.
Ah! Taking. Oh.
I've just died, man. What the heck? This game sucks.
Yeah,
Going through net.
that's unfortunate. I thought that red was going for me, so I accidentally used my star.
I'm starring an 8.
It's fine. I had a Nana.
I have blue. I'll
Panicked.
hold.
Fire.
No, you can fire, you can fire.
Shit,
I'll
sorry.
pull it out.
Golden up.
Filling in
Go,
11.
go.
5. 6.
6, 10.
9 to 11.
9, 10.
What happened,
Nice
Dace?
one.
I somehow managed to clip the edge and he just fucking sent me.
That was
That's
only
awesome.
-2. That's literally fine.
Wait, what was scores?
That's not bad.
1, 4, 6, 9, 10, 11. Is this maple time? Question mark.
Yeah, probably.
We've gotten a
And
fair
good.
few picks, so it's probably not going to matter.
True. Oh,
Oh.
horrendous. Horrendous.
Oh, they do seed.
No way. 2, 4,
why they're in the back. Because I was wondering why those no shot it back.
Oh, no way.
Oh,
Nice.
In a sea of Athens.
Wait, did they say that? Oh my god.
No, they didn't GC.
Yeah, but
There is an
okay,
Australian
my
in there.
brain hurt.
If
Yeah,
you saw a
but, like,
dude running in,
like
he's
green
been
dot.
running in like every lobby. Like he runs in
Hmm.
late for some reason. Shit connection. Go, go,
Yeah, I think my
go.
brain just hurts now.
No box.
Trip Nana, sorry. They're all gone.
Top 2.
I got a bit peckish and had one.
Up to 4.
Apparently bot 2. Oh, fat cunt.
Ugh.
We're top 2. I've got stream
Got
red.
green up.
Careful green. Oh, what the hell? Thanks, Rory.
Oh, shroom there.
Yep.
Nana in the middle of the bridge next time.
Oh, they're
no.
trailing bomb.
Oh, they have bomb. Careful.
I fell off. I'm a shit.
I'm gonna take cover. Evan, just protect me.
Yeah.
Fire 9.
I tried them. Okay, cool. I have Horn in 1, no ghost.
Beautiful.
I think
Can I
that was line 6.
I'm gonna. I'm starring behind you, Pokey.
Yep, you good. Only one.
I have shockets out.
I'm
I have
dodging.
3, 2, 1
I've
shot.
got dodge.
Nice.
Sorry if that was quick, COD.
Top 3.
Yeah, I couldn't get. I
Well,
couldn't.
Saying right, saying
Yeah,
right.
I had streams above it, so I couldn't spam in time. That's all good.
Enemy 3.
I'm sorry for crash.
That's fine, that's fine.
Make sure it's the cut.
Same.
Enemy fire in like 7.
Enemy
I've
triple
got
9.
fire right in 1.
They're firing up. I have
I'm
crazy
gonna ring
8.
up here.
I've got.
Oh, I didn't mean to
Trailing
back
in
that.
And
Let me know.
star.
Filling now.
I should lose
I'm in
Oh
Bill.
my
Blue's
God.
Blue's out,
out.
blue's out, blues out, blues
I'll
out.
take one. I'll take a bite. I'll
Way.
take a bite.
Fuck you.
Oh, what the hell? That was a weird build.
Enemy triple
and
9
stuff.
and 2.
Fuck.
Oh my god.
Ugh.
They have it.
Okay,
Ah, shit.
weird.
That's fine, that does nothing, that does nothing.
Just go, just
Yeah.
go.
I'm going.
Oh.
Shit.
Oh
Going
my
right to-
god.
They're
okay, I
bot
got
3
myself.
right now. Well, kinda. I'm in here.
I
But
didn't get right set.
come on, go, go, go.
3.
6.
Go, 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 go.
7.
5.
8.
10.
Yeah, my build was
Bot 2.
massive, Bryson, but it just put weirdest spot at the end. Like, instead of taking the turn, it just made me go straight and made me smack into a wall. Yippee.
8, 7. We got a really strong like mid pack going. They just keep getting tops and bottoms. That was like -4.
Ghost on it.
Okay.
So I have a feeling that they can't play this for shit.
Your gut feeling's been right before, Ace.
Haha, I
Yeah.
can't find a track. Look at this
Good.
stupid. Only stupid
Good.
people wear orange suits. Haha!
Okay.
Track picks, my god.
Haha! Told you we were saving them.
Oh, they DC this time.
Oh, true.
Their problem, not ours.
I got a screen if anyone needs it.
Ooh.
I wear the blue suit, actually. I got the recording in case.
Yeah, but they're hosts, so they should have it.
True. Shit.
Trailing in 1.
I'm gonna back coins.
Enemy
Sherman,
green 5. 4 and 5.
Yeah, we get fucking trailed, holy shit.
Top two.
Showing up. Five,
Alright, throwing forward.
three.
Like you said.
Redden up. I got 2! Haha, get shit on.
Nice.
Oh, shit, red in. Never mind.
Enemy red in 8.
I like 4, 5, 6.
Have bomb into.
They read
be
it up.
careful.
I
I'm gonna
Triple
stop.
greens in
top two,
5
top
then.
two.
They're bot a lot. I'm gonna pull up.
They bombed in the air. I got dodge in 8.
Back in green tie.
Yep,
Blue's
yep,
out.
Blue's out.
Yep,
I've
that's fine. I can
got
get-
Star Bill.
Nice. Chaining, starting
One.
to set, taking cool.
Chaining Star now.
One's heavily bagging.
I got fire, ghost, and
Oh
6.
shit, I'm sorry, I didn't realize that was you.
I've got
you-
shock behind Shroom.
I have ghost and 6.
I've got
I'm dead
dodge.
to like 2.
Oh, I'm sorry
Call
for
it out.
fire.
The top two.
Triple 9ers out in 4. I'll
Taking
go
10
wide.
skip.
I've got Bill in 6.
I got dodge in 2. Somebody please.
Call it, yes, someone call it.
Okay,
Pull off the glider.
2,
yeah.
3.
Okay.
2, 3, 4.
3, 2, 1, shock.
Nice.
Nice bill card.
I got Star on
I got
1.
trips out behind you.
Yep.
I'm bailing up, be careful.
Ooh. I may have fucked the cut. No. Please,
got
shy guy.
blue.
Oh, fuck.
Go ahead.
You're good to throw.
Blue's out.
I'm backing greens.
Yeah.
I missed him.
Oh,
I'm sorry. I just saw that. I'm so sorry, Poke.
You're good. Oh,
I should have
Yeah.
gone wider.
it's fine.
It's fine, they're getting last and we got 1.
Top
I
2,
think that's what it
actually.
was. Oh, top 2. Okay, that's fine
Oh,
then.
nice top two.
1, 2,
Nice.
4, 1, 10, 11.
5. Yeah, it was like
Good
plus
shock.
6. No way we had dodges in like 2, 3. That's actually fucked.
So good.
Hmm.
Cannon said is stupid. Cannon is stupid, I swear.
Yeah.
Who got 1?
COD.
I did. Wait,
Ooh.
Wimmer, did you get 2?
Us top 2? Is it time?
Oh.
Yippee!
GG.
Did.
Twisted shithouse.
Yep.
Why is this
Yep.
the go-to pick for all of our like enemy teams? It's so bad.
They're so boring.
I know, be original. It's like people who pick MC3 for a bagger. No offense, Poke. No offense.
I'm not taking any offense. Oh.
But it's a shit, boring bagger.
Tell us how you really feel.
Oh, lo and behold, the room is lagging.
Fuck, why couldn't-
And we get it.
Wait,
Couldn't
let's
it
just
lag
hope that the
back?
room DCs. Let's hope the room DCs before the
Yeah,
result screen
yeah.
show. How about
Yeah,
that?
yeah. And then
Yeah.
we're gonna not
Yeah.
supply a screen of our DC'd player, like, not finishing the race, and yep.
God.
And then we're gonna win and make the winning race not count.
No, we will make the winning race count.
I mean, for the enemy team, like, we'll do like a decider, because the room DC, I'm getting redded out.
I got red in 1.
Sure, me to cut.
Taking cut.
They're top 3, I'm reading them.
Hope for that ball.
No,
They've got,
There's
another
3,
note.
4.
They have trip numbers left side.
Yep.
They're redding up.
I DC'd.
Oh,
Oh, you
no
freaking-
way.
Three more
no.
people,
No way.
three more people.
I have blue.
You can fire.
Enemy
playing
trailing
this
in
one.
6. Woo. Whoever backed that red, yippee. Taking
Red
cut.
in 5. Ace. There's one a red
I've
behind.
got triple
got-
green. I've got doubles in 1.
I've got 2 shrooms
I have
behind
trip
you,
numbers out in
card.
3. Trip numbers out 3.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna throw green forward at glider.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm dead again.
I do have protection behind this, but I will
Oh,
have
yeah,
to
there's two
burn the
DCs.
shrooms.
Yeah, we're good.
We just need a third one. JK, JK.
I'll home XA right now.
No, 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 no. Oh, hi, Tash.
No.
Top 3.
Blue's out, blue's out, blue's out, blue's out.
I'm gonna. I
I'll
can't
just
do
take-
anything. Wee! I'm in one with a shroom. Oh, there's a Nana there. Fuck me, I'm such a shithead. I have double
Nothing,
defense
nothing.
in one.
Oh,
I
what?
got ring in 6.
I'm gonna back tie it. Try and get him.
Okay, I got ringed myself.
I think I did. Get shit on. Fucking
3.
loser. That's what you get for picking this track. Okay, I got one.
Nice.
On
We
3.
got 3,
Three.
4.
3, 4,
One, two,
5.
four. Oh, this is nice. Rip
Good race,
Poke.
good race.
Oh, Poke, you didn't even get last.
1, 3, 4,
Poke
5.
got last.
Let's go!
Let's fucking go!
Shit on!
Yeah, shit on!
Let's go!
Let's fuck. We're even. We're even. We've made it back up.
Yeah.
We're at 0.
Wait. Top 3.
They got 2, but
No,
Oh,
we
they
could
got
technically go high rule again and hopefully get something to knock Albie out.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
done.
Albie's
Radio?
an asshole. He horned me around a corner. What a jerk.
Yeah, what an asshole.
Yeah, what a loser.
Yeah, I'm an asshole.
What a jerk.
Oh, it sounded like
Oh.
Pokey said, no, you're an asshole.
No. I said, what an asshole. I'm sorry.
You know what, Aaron, Pokemaster, Ace, whatever you want to be called, you can't be you can't be saying these things.
Oh my god.
We're getting high roll.
Hooray!
Nice.
Beautiful.
Okay, 9th race. We got this.
Indeed.
We need a banger right now.
When
I'll just take wide coins. I got Nana.
Trimming up.
They've got it.
Yeah.
Fucking
I'm
hell.
gonna try and trail this guy. Nah, you
I'm gonna go for double.
make it. Take it single. Oh no, he got it. He's got ready trailed me.
Railing in
Back at
3.
11.
Trail them.
Nice.
Nice, top 2. Trailing behind your ace.
I'm going wide for
Yeah.
dub.
I
Oh,
Holy crap,
Alright.
okay, that was chaotic.
Don't red Tash, don't.
went 5.
Yippee. Taking cut. Oh,
Yeah,
I've
back
tripped
five,
Nana's out.
wide.
I'm wide. Dropping them.
Dropping on, you're on double. Go on. No, I didn't. Never mind.
All in 4.
Holy crap, what happened?
I've got-
to that?
I have to fire.
Oh,
I'm
what the-
sorry. I was getting ridded.
Fuck.
No, that's bull crap game.
Someone play for it.
I can.
Yeah, I'll go for then.
I am, and I'm in last, I'll play.
If you get
Okay.
close enough, Evan, you have space to horn him.
Got him. Oh no, I didn't.
Rip.
The lag.
I'm gonna hold shroom and take single. Oh shit.
yeah.
10.
Yes.
No.
I just greened out of bounds and got myself. I'm coming last.
I might be able to red Albie out. No way, they No, I got one. I get 2.
Oh,
Oh, I hit a bat on the out. Oh god.
Oh,
Oh, shit.
We
unfortunate
get bot.
race.
We get bot 4. Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh.
bot 5.
no.
Shit. That's fine. That's fine. It's only down 28.
Totally fine.
Where's
I hit a
Garden?
bat with
That
Gardens,
devastating.
gardens,
that
gardens,
totally
gardens,
won't
gardens.
come to bite us in the
Gardens.
Yeah, I was gonna say that totally won't come and bite us in the dust.
It's fine. There's 3
Totally.
left. We just need a good gardens and then keep going. Still very winnable.
True.
Gardens, boo, and then something cool.
EC3.
That just
something
trails me every
cool.
time.
True, that red was... I'm surprised it didn't just skip going over that fucking split pathway, or didn't hit the other dude's other shell because he was slow. No way.
They obviously want to run this real bad.
Yeah.
They love this
True,
track.
SA.
Just... We probably will 100% need shock here, so... Insta-trailing in 1.
Yep.
They tried to nana me.
They can cut.
Trip Nana's in 7.
Wilma, be
I'll
careful.
stay left.
I'm sorry, I was gonna red them out. Red skip.
That red went past all 3 of us. Excuse me?
Yeah.
I'll
That was
take it,
insane.
I'll fucking take it. Coin in 1. I'm shit.
Bomb in 2.
Roy's
They're bottom
holding
a lot.
green.
Fire in 3.
They're
Watch
in 1.
careful
Careful,
green.
green.
I think they died. Hello?
Yeah, they died to it.
Red in's
I'm
8.
trailing.
I'm
Oh,
taking.
what the f-
Let me know if I need to throw.
I
Yeah,
am.
good
I'm
with
in
that.
12.
I'll throw up.
Beautiful.
Oh.
I've got fire, I can try and...
Oh yeah, I'll go wide. You go. You kill him. Dumping Nana. Take a dub. Yeah, we're really top here. It's just 1. I've got red behind you, Evan. Oh no,
What?
yeah, you rang him.
Watch green.
They're throwing
Not very.
Nanas up.
Not in rain. Oh, I missed
One
I'm
of
that.
gonna
them
go,
is
sorry.
dodging up.
I'll triple bananas out now.
I don't need a fucking miracle back.
I'm gonna take hut and have triple greens out.
Okay, I'll stay
Oh my
tight.
god, I'm getting pumped like crazy.
I'm throwing them forward.
Yeah, you're good. Smart bounce. Shit.
You have space 7.
Gonna trail.
Kind of line.
Sorry, Peter. I'm just trying to fire up.
Really,
nothing.
really good.
Oh, sorry, Pokey. That was me.
Yeah, that's fine.
Fire
I
up.
thought I threw it back. Oh, I got
Yeah.
hit mid
Oh,
air.
what the hell?
Look at these boxes.
Me and you.
Bot
And not hit
3.
a red in 2nd.
Bot 3.
2,
as
5,
well.
7.
5, 7. Peach. Peach. Peach, peach, peach.
Mm.
That was weird. That hit both me and you,
I
Wilma.
don't even know what that was. Was it one of the box
It was-
shells?
No, it was a random. Yeah, it was a random green.
What the fuck? They got so lucky with that one. The map killed us. It wasn't even them. They don't even earn
Yeah,
that
fuck.
win. They got lucky. Fucking shit.
Yeah, it was a bug shell. It killed both of us. Oh my god.
No more effing lollygagging. Snort it if you don't stop with the language. I'm gonna get mad. Please no DKJ. Please no. Oh, it's gonna be DKJ.
Basic tracks. God.
Literally, they have no brains. Get a real opinion. This is not a good track. Never.
We got them on Twisted though. We can get them on this.
Oh yeah, true.
Let's go.
Brr. There's one way stronger. than
Lock
this.
in, fellers.
Locking in.
Like a prisoner, I'm locked in.
Red in 7.
Oh, that'll be.
Whoa.
I got shroom in like 6 somewhere.
I think
Yeah,
Shroom
cool. No
7.
I got
fucking one.
bumped.
Fuck this game.
Top 2.
It's fine. It's lap 1.
Top 3.
I was-
I'm trailing. Go, boys. Go. I'm gonna leave
They got
Nana
nothing.
tight where the coins are.
Can I ghost?
Trapping left
Yep.
double.
Trailing in full. Oh, what? I only get hit
I'm
by
in
that
ghost
one.
behind you.
I'm slow.
Oh, just got backed in the face.
Is that me?
Whoever's fire,
sorry.
whoever's fire, you
I
can
don't
back.
know. I wasn't looking.
Me?
Yeah, you can back the fire. They're all behind you.
Can I back red? I'm backing red. What an asshole.
I got star shrooms in 9.
Okay, now you cannot back the ring.
Double
I'm
defense.
starring. Blizz out.
Yep.
Oh my fucking god.
I got triple greens and 8. I'm
Nice.
just gonna draw forward.
Oh, what the hell? Okay.
Into with nothing though. Oh
Top
fuck.
2.
This is the bump
Go, go,
by
go.
nothing. What the...
Trailing into.
Oh, wow, I get bumped off again.
Leaving a Nana tight on before the bridge.
Oh,
Yep, that's cool.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Double reds into.
come on, crazy 8. Oh, that would be so good here.
Back it into a wall when you can. The reds don't bounce.
Well, I'm getting lost.
Crazy 8, crazy 8. I'm greening up.
What a
Oh, I'm
cunt.
sorry.
Oh,
Who's
hey,
that?
man.
Got 1.
Yeah, I got fucking really bad spot
Sorry.
here. Oh my god. Yeah, I get lost. What the
Nice
heck?
one.
Nice
This
one,
is
Evan.
not looking
Okay,
good.
from 16 off.
3.
Well, my
Five,
bumped off by nothing somehow after that blue and I just died.
That
Makes
was
no sense.
Plus? Question mark? Yeah, that's plus.
Hell
Yeah.
We're only
Plus
down by
enough, right?
40. Top 6 for a tie. Oh god, Peach.
Oh,
Oh,
god.
unless we want something else.
Nah, not Peach.
Yeah, no, let's go Peach.
Free
Level 2
pick,
right
free
now.
pick.
Free pick. Free pick.
Free.
Whatever you want. Whatever tickles your fancy.
Ugh.
Gross. I just realized their me looks like Obama.
Get the DLC. God.
You only realize that now.
I just thought it was some dude. Like, oh, I wasn't looking at their me's. They're all ugly. And
Yeah, I didn't
basic.
click any of that.
Then again.
God damn it.
Oh, of course. Now, surely we just top 6 them.
Yeah, on their
Easy.
own track. Go on. Okay.
What are you plus, Pokey?
no, no,
16
but-
plus what?
I have no idea.
I
Oh.
can go
Yeah.
back and look for you.
Thanks.
Drafting.
Don't
Oh.
trail him. What the fuck? How did he get back?
Oh, I missed the ramp.
I'm receiving some
Got
item
item lag?
lag.
Wait, I
Oh
get
my-
item lag. This is bad. I got
What,
I got
somebody
double coin
stopped on
and
the
11.
map. I think they
Same.
might have nah, maybe.
No, they have trip rooms in the DC.
I'm getting
We got
redded
trip
out.
rooms in 1. Not trip rooms, trip.
Cod, go right, go
Rings.
right.
Right? Okay. You missed them all, but that's fine.
I got one on my screen.
Triple Niners coming out.
Ghost is
yeah, I'm behind
Obama's
you.
got a green.
I've got bomb in 1.
Oh.
I've got double bomb in 1.
Ah, fucking greened out.
And I got hit
Kill
out.
them all! Kill them, COD!
Kamikaze, dude. Just
I'm
do it.
dead.
Oh.
I'm
there you go.
dead.
That
Oh,
was.
cool, they have
You got
fire,
2
cool.
of them! Oh
All
my
five.
god.
Starring an angle.
Starring.
They have bomb.
Cat goes to 9.
Yeah, you're good.
Yep.
A bomb got stolen.
Billing. Last set, last set, last set. Careful Bill, careful Bill. I'm starring. Taking dub.
Oh. Oh, what
Whee!
happened? 2, 3, 4?
Yep.
2, 3, 4, 6, 7.
6,
Eight.
8,
Nice.
10.
That wasn't terrible.
GGs. We were only down by 30, and it was really close there for a while.
Hmm.
That's okay.
Good job,
Yeah,
guys.
You
Bloody